I'm not sure if. Subject plus verb. I'm not sure if. He'll come. I'm not sure if. He can swim. I'm not sure if. He's the one. I'm not sure if. She can cook. I'm not sure if. He can fix it. I'm not sure if. He can fix it. I'm not sure if. They're dating. I'm not sure if. They can dance. I'm not sure if. She's available. I'm not sure if. They're in love. I'm not sure if. It's a rare gem. I'm not sure if. It's a good idea. I'm not sure if. She can run fast. I'm not sure if. He can lift that. I'm not sure if. He can lift that. I'm not sure if. The movie is good. I'm not sure if. The cake is ready. I'm not sure if. It's a true story. I'm not sure if. He's a good singer. I'm not sure if. The car will start. I'm not sure if. It's a coincidence. I'm not sure if. He's a good leader. I'm not sure if. He's a good driver. I'm not sure if. She'll win the race. I'm not sure if. They'll find a cure. I'm not sure if. He can fix the leak. I'm not sure if. She likes chocolate. I'm not sure if. He's a skilled chef. I'm not sure if. He can sing in tune. I'm not sure if. It's a rare species. I'm not sure if. She'll find her way. I'm not sure if. It's a rare disease. I'm not sure if. He can fix the issue. I'm not sure if. They'll win the game. I'm not sure if. It's worth the price. I'm not sure if. It's a genuine offer. I'm not sure if. It's the right color. I'm not sure if. She'll like the book. I'm not sure if. It's a rare artifact. I'm not sure if. He can keep a secret. I'm not sure if. She'll pass the exam. I'm not sure if. It's a genuine smile. I'm not sure if. It's safe to go there. I'm not sure if. It's safe to go there. I'm not sure if. She can speak Spanish. I'm not sure if. He's the right choice. I'm not sure if. They'll pass the test. I'm not sure if. It's a valid argument. I'm not sure if. She'll enjoy the hike. I'm not sure if. It will rain tomorrow. I'm not sure if. He can play the guitar. I'm not sure if. He's a reliable person. I'm not sure if. He's a reliable person. I'm not sure if. It's a genuine product. I'm not sure if. It's a good investment. I'm not sure if. He can fix the problem. I'm not sure if. She can play the piano. I'm not sure if. It's a fair assessment. I'm not sure if. They have enough money. I'm not sure if. She'll remember my name. I'm not sure if. It's a valuable antique. I'm not sure if. She's interested in art. I'm not sure if. He'll like the surprise. I'm not sure if they'll make it on time. I'm not sure if she'll be ready on time. I'm not sure if she's telling the truth. I'm not sure if she'll accept the offer. I'm not sure if she'll enjoy the concert. I'm not sure if they're on the same page. I'm not sure if they'll reach the summit. I'm not sure if he can solve the mystery. I'm not sure if she can handle criticism. I'm not sure if she can handle criticism. I'm not sure if she'll pass the interview. I'm not sure if she'll pass the interview. I'm not sure if it's a genuine friendship. I'm not sure if she'll be available later. I'm not sure if he's a trustworthy person. I'm not sure if they can solve the puzzle. I'm not sure if it's a legitimate concern. I'm not sure if they can break the record. I'm not sure if it's a valuable discovery. I'm not sure if it's a unique opportunity. I'm not sure if it's a unique opportunity. I'm not sure if he can handle the pressure. I'm not sure if he can repair the computer. I'm not sure if she'll make a good teacher. I'm not sure if they can meet the deadline. I'm not sure if they can find the treasure. I'm not sure if they'll agree to the terms. I'm not sure if he's a professional athlete. I'm not sure if he can make it to the party. I'm not sure if they have the right strategy. I'm not sure if she'll accept the invitation. I'm not sure if they can complete the mission. I'm not sure if they have the right equipment. I'm not sure if they have the necessary skills. I'm not sure if she can make a perfect souffle. I'm not sure if she can make a perfect souffle. I'm not sure if they have the right ingredients. I'm not sure if they understand the instructions. I'm not sure if they can follow the instructions. I'm not sure if she can handle the responsibility. I'm not sure if they'll finish the project on time. I'm not sure if they have the right qualifications.